Hi, and thank you for requesting the Chiropractic Profit Formula. This is a tool that I use with all of my chiropractor clients, and it's extremely effective in helping you get more profit out of your chiropractic business. Now, while it's on the way to you, figured I'd take a few minutes to orient on how this actually works so you can apply it immediately. Now, the first thing we have down here is you have a tab for instructions. So click on that. It's going to give you very clear instructions on how to use that. Then you're going to click on the 5 ways tab. And this is the main area that we're going to work in. So we want to start off and put the date in that you want to start this. So let's just say that we want to start it on, say, January 1st, 2023. So then it's going to happen, it's going to populate for 12 full months all the way across. Now let's say that in a particular month you get 50 leads. I'm sorry, let's say 30 leads instead. And let's say that you get 15 new patients. And that gives you a 50% conversion rate. Now let's say existing patients, let's say you have 150 existing patients. And what I mean by existing patients is patients that have been under your care within the past 12 months. If they haven't been under care for the past 12 months, they're not technically existing patients anymore. So that gives us a total of 165 patients. Let's say your office visit average. Your office visit average in this case is, say, 80. And if you don't know how to calculate office visit average, it's simply production divided by number of visits. And then we get to total patient visit average. And if you click on where it says number of transactions down below, it's going to give you a tool that you could actually plug in your total visits in there and actually self-generate the patient visit average. So we know that when you go leads times conversion rate equals new patients plus existing patients equals total patients times your office visit average times your patient visit average equals your total production. And then if you have a margin rate of, say, let's say 25% in your clinic, we would know that you would have a profit of approximately $8,000. So what you also have on this tool is you have graphs. So over time, you can start graphing. It'll automatically create graphs to show you how well you're doing in all 5 of these major areas. So one of the things when I'm working with a chiropractic business, one of the things I do is zero in on these 5 areas of how are you getting leads into your chiropractic business. And I use what I call the 4 pillars of chiropractic marketing. You have conversion rates, how well you're converting them. What's your office visit average? How much you charge, you get on average per visit. And patient visit average, how well are you retaining them through your care plans? And then obviously your margin rate. So I've also got a weekly version of this if you want it, but if you want it, I'd love to have a strategy discussion with you. So what you can do is go ahead and click on set a strategy session. It's about a 30-minute get to know you, talk a little bit about your business and what you need to get the most out of your chiropractic business. And then after that discussion, I will send you the weekly version of this. And perhaps there's a future where I can help you grow your profits in your chiropractic business. Have fun with this tool, and I look forward to talking to you soon.